Now you're being crazy. I'm trying to be quiet so he could sing. The last time I went live and he was singing on my head, he stopped immediately when I got on. So that's why I was trying to be quiet. Now you're looking at the ceiling. See, when I start talking, he's quiet. What are you doing? Yes? It is Adam's family. This is another one bites the dust. When he does that right there, he's saying Nico. Nico. He's singing a long time for you guys. It's a good time to go live. Let's see if he'll tap on the mirror. A lot of times he likes tapping on the mirror. I'm turning the wrong way. Nico, go to the mirror. There he goes. Good morning.